We got a special one tonight, just something simple. Got us some lamb chops. I'm gonna do jerk lamb chops. Just a simple 3 seasoning, some salt, some white pepper, and some jerk seasoning. Y'all see that? Oh, we got some asparagus in the background with some green onions. That's what we're gonna do on the side. But that's pretty much it. No extra fillers, no nothing. Just meat and greens tonight, y'all. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys in the air fryer. I'm gonna show you what they look like in a few minutes. I'll be right back. Yeah. And there you have it. Look at them juicy, juicy lamb chops, y'all. Things looking nice. Now, they're pretty much done, but I took them out like 4 or 5 minutes early just so I can get a good flip. And also, I'm about to put on the asparagus to go with these. And right soon as I'm about to pull the asparagus, I'm gonna pop these back in for like 2 minutes. But they're gonna be done. So, bam. Right now, I'm gonna let them rest. I'll be back. I done chopped up my aromatics. I got a little bit of butter, green onions, and some garlic. Just let it simmer a little. I'm chop the back half of them off. Here they go, some small ones. Let's throw them right there in the pan. Let's put a little salt on here, a little bit of white pepper. And that's it, and let them simmer down till they get soft. Right, now that the asparagus are halfway done, went ahead and threw the top on it. Now I'm about to throw these back in there for the remainder, let these finish it up, and we're gonna be ready to go. Yeah, y'all see that? Perfect. I had to slice one open just to make sure. All right, I'm about to plate it up. And there you have it. Good old asparagus and lamb for the night. Nothing heavy, you don't see no mashed potatoes, no rice, no nothing. We're going with something simple. I ain't want nothing too heavy tonight. There you go. Y'all try it out. That's asparagus with green onions and garlic and a little bit of butter, salt, pepper, and my jerk lamb chops. Bam. Bon appetit. We out of here. See y'all on the next one.